Okay, now I'm going to show you second step. The second step is straight line back. So drive forward and stop when your examiner raises his hand like this, and back your vehicle until you are front of your vehicle. This is the front of your vehicle. So until you are front of your vehicle past the last set of the cones. So now I'm going to show you last set of the cones. This is the last set of the cones. So your front of your vehicle has to pass last set of the cones. For this exercise, your examiner going to let you know how many pull-ups and how many looks. When you have stopped, put the vehicle neutral, brake set, and sound your horn. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I'm starting the vehicle. Put the vehicle drive, release the parking brake, drive forward. So now I'm going to check the mirrors left side. When the examiner raises his hands up, I will stop the truck. I'm stopping the vehicle, and I'm putting the vehicle reverse and the back of the vehicle all the way back until the front of my vehicle clear the last set of the cones. So now I'm keeping vehicle straight back. I'm checking left and right to adjust my truck. So I'm checking the mirrors left and right. Almost past the last set of the cones. So now I've passed the last set of the cones. Vehicle neutral, brake set. I'm stepping outside to check if I passed the last set of the cones. Okay, I passed the last set of the cones. So now I'm going inside. I will sound the horn and finish this test. Now I'm stepping outside and I will continue with next step. So now I passed last set of the cones, so it was a successful test. So now I will continue with next step. Thank you for watching.